I coughed a lot. I mean, I still have coughing, but not like how I did at the beginning of my brain injury. And I don't know if it's because my throat was just irritated, or, like you felt like there was something in your throat. When you do that, trying to, clear your throat. But I could do that all I wanted. It wasn't clearing nothing, because it's, as again I said, it's from the inside and it's coming out. And when I went hoarse, like hoarse in the sense of, if you were, say, screaming and you're just like, you're cheering like, and then your voice goes hoarse afterward, or it's really sore the next day. This is how my voice was feeling on a continuous basis. So my throat was sore, as if I was like I had a perpetual cold.